Mga kuya, it's 8:22 ng gabi nandito tayo ngayon sa hotel. Of course, continuation ito ng previous nating vlog kung saan nagmaneho ako papunta rito sa hotel, and ngayon magdi-dinner tayo. May nakita na akong posibleng kainan, tatawid tayo papunta ron. Okay? Tingnan natin. Okay. Ito yung nakita ko. Hindi ko alam kung saan yung pasukan. Ito. Nakita ko. Thank you. Sago at diabetes. I think ito yung tawag nilang budbud or something. So parang meats. Meron ng sunny side up egg. May banana. Should be good. Parang gusto ko ng toyo. Mukhang parang good for toyo yung ganito. Let's see. Masarap yung lechong kawali. It's very, super good. Madaling nguyain itong lechon. Ito lang yung medyo ayaw ko. Yung tawiran kinda sucks. Patintero gaming. Good morning mga ate ko kuya. It is 6:36 AM. Tayo ay magbe-breakfast bago tayo pumunta ng My Ass. My Ass. Okay. Ito yung kanilang breakfast area. It's a small little area with a nice little sort of balcony dito sa chandelier. It's nice. Maliit lang pero nice. Okay mga ate mga kuya, tapos na breakfast. Papunta na tayo sa Mia's. 9:49 AM. Naka-impake na ako at mag-check out na tayo. Okay, naka-park na tayo. May konting lakad papunta rito sa parking or papunta dun sa venue. Pero ganun talaga, hindi tayo maaga eh. So, maglalagay na tayo ng mga visors natin, ng mga blackout curtains or whatever. And then, punta na tayo dun. Ito. So, it's a jet tour. But it looks like a Land Rover Defender or something. So SUV siya. I think medyo mababa nga lang siya. Maybe bababa talaga yung design niya. May tubig dito para pwede kang mag-splash. Photon pickup. Hello. Okay. Ang dilim. Okay, BYD Jesur, Chang'an, MG, Nissan, best tune. I guess may event si Chang'an. Daming tao nanonood. Okay. So nahanap ko na yung Aito booth kung saan tayo mag-a-attend ng event. Looks like ito yung Aito M9. Sa big car though.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is our great honor to present the Idol M9!
Okay mga ating mga kuya, nandito tayo ngayon sa loob ng Aito M9. Ayun yung ating aircon. Bakit ito? Ayun, meron din. Okay, so meron tayong aircon control dito. Keep in mind, I think full electric siya, so we're using battery power pero may aircon. Hindi ko alam kung may aircon or basta may blower. Tapos our seats should be fully controllable. Hindi ko lang alam yung mga buton. Wow, okay. So you press that, angat yun. The seat belt. What's this? USB charging port. Supposedly there's lots and lots and lots of things dito. I wonder kung paano ibaba yung projector. Nanguhula na lang ako. Oh, nice. So hindi ko, there it is. There's our projector. So Aito M9 has this 32-inch projection display. Hindi ko alam pa paano siyang paanda rin. I know, like, you should be able, siguro with the phone. And then tignan nyo yung ilaw, touchscreen ilaw.
Version kasi sir, but right high. Yan, right high. So pwede mo i-very low, but kailangan ko lang kung magagana siya ngayon since naka-display mode. But yun. Then pwede mo siya pwede mo i-change different functions. So pwede mong gawin yun, yung height, drive modes. So no, start. Kasi ito is Chinese version.
Does this work?
AR.
Magbabago yung ride height. No.
Naka-display mode sir.
Display
possible,
mode.
Baka hindi gumana. But
Baka kailangan mo munang umandar.
hindi. Try nyo yung close yung door.
Oh!
Then, meron daylight effect, pwede mong baguhin.
Oh.
Then, even,
Happy birthday.
Pwede mong happy birthday. Actually, even yung greeting lights, yung front, ito ba yung may pet? Yes, yung, pwede mong baguhin. Flying Phoenix. So, lalabas siya dun sa, ayun yung welcoming niya. Then, this one, Galaxy.
Finally, we are about to formally introduce the Bestien Pony. So this little car is packed with a lot of big personality. It just goes to show that you don't have to go big to go far. And its small frame is packed with a lot of comfort, tech, character, and a lot of electric energy. So going around in its exterior, as you can see, it's filled with a lot of round elements, from its side mirrors to its headlights, mixed with its two-tone exterior colors. It gives you that feeling of a classic vibe with a modern touch, which appeals.
Can you do this? Up? Oh, okay. Pass about that. Ooh. May adjustment by steering. Wala. So that's it for that. Oh. Nope. Anyway. Okay, mga kuya. Tayo ay paalis na ng Metro Manila. Dumaan muna ako sa bahay ng mga kapatid ko para matulog sandali. And then ngayon it's 4:20 maybe 4:23. Okay mga kuya, Nasa Clark na tayo. It's 5:40 a.m. Maganda ang simoy ng hangin so far. Okay, nasa labas na tayo ng Clark. Gusto ko lang pakita ang sunrise sun. Kulay orange. Look at that. Bira lang ako makakita ng ganyan. I don't know. Maybe madalas kayo nakakakita ng ganyan. Yun. Look at that. May pagka moon-like yung dating niya.